AI tools are replacing jobs. Here's what you need to know. Some jobs are disappearing, not because people are lazy, but because AI can do them faster, cheaper, and 24/7. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's replacing tasks humans used to do, quietly and efficiently. In this video, I'll show you what types of jobs are most at risk and how you can stay ahead. Tool 1. ChatGPT. AI like ChatGPT can write articles, scripts, and emails instantly. Some entry-level writers and content creators are already using AI instead of hiring humans. Tool 2. Canva AI. Design and creativity. Designers are also affected. Canva AI can create logos, social media graphics, and thumbnails in seconds. Basic design tasks are being automated. Tool 3. CapCut AI. Video editors face automation too. CapCut AI can edit videos, add captions, transitions, and effects without human effort. Tool 4. AutoGPT/AI agents. AI agents like AutoGPT can research, plan, and even execute multi-step tasks automatically. Repetitive office work is especially at risk. Replaces administrative assistants, office tasks. Reality check. This doesn't mean AI will replace everyone. People who learn how to use AI will be ahead, while those who ignore it might struggle. Stay ahead of the AI revolution. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for guides, tools, and tips to thrive in the AI era.